Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Red color, silver color, orange color, yellow color, gold color, pink color, brown color, light green color, black color, violet color, purple color, green color. Green color. Green color. A for apple. Green color. B for ball. Green color. C for cat. Green color. D for dolphin. Red color. Red color. E for elephant. Red color. F for flower. Red color. Z for goal. Red color. H for horse. Orange color. I for igloo. Z for zoos. K for kite. L for light. Yellow color. Yellow color. M for mango. N for necklace. O for owl. P for parrot. Violet color. Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. Brown color. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Gold color. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.